Today we're working on the second movement of Vivaldi's Cello Sonata, RV47, transcribed for viola. Welcome back. Welcome to the studio. My name is Cassie and I'm a professional violist and teaching artist. So today we're working on that second movement, and we're going to do a slow playthrough first with the metronome and then a fast playthrough without the metronome, a more artistic interpretation of it. A few things to note: if you're interested in the music, I'll post it in the comments below. It's on IMSLP, which is a really great free website. And if you're interested in my part, I also am willing to share that with you. Please post in the comments that you're interested in that, and I will get that to you via email. So we're going to start with our metronome set to 100, and that's our 8th note. And I'll count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and we'll begin. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. now going to do our at tempo playthrough, and I'm not going to put the metronome on for this, but just know that I'm aiming for eighth note equals 130 for my metronome marking. Let's go to playing position, and I'll still count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and we'll begin. And we are doing the first repeat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Thanks so much for joining me today. I really hope that you found this video useful. If there's any videos I can make for you, please post those in the comments below. I really do enjoy reading those. And I really hope that you're enjoying discovering this new sonata. Happy practicing.